What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be lowering the Supra on HKS lowering springs, but since I don't have all the necessary tools in this garage, I'm just going to leave it to my friend Ben at Joyride Automotive, and that'll give me time this morning to run my errands and stuff. Maybe later when we have our Supra back, we can bring it to the garage and try and install the STREETHUNTer spoiler, and that I might actually also need help on. Who knows, we might end up getting TJ or Calvin on FaceTime or something if we get stuck. That's the beauty of modding your car, is you run into problems and then you become super solution oriented and figure out how to turn those problems around. Let's get today started. HKS Hypermaxes.
Until we're back together, but for now, together and alone. Baby, I won't be gone.
They're the HKS adjustable springs there.
Sick. So do you have a preference where you want it adjusted to, or?
I don't want like super slammed because I still want to be able to get over humps and stuff.
Okay.
So we're gonna go for one finger.
Like a finger, yeah?
Yeah.
Drop it. Yeah, dude.
Sure. Hey Ben, we'll get one for the vlog. Thanks, Joyride. Enjoy the day, it's beautiful. Right. Mr. Ben. Since I'm waiting for my Uber, grab a lemon loaf and this creation. It's like coffee and ice cream on top, sorbet. Oh, beautiful. There's one thing I can suggest to everybody to try. It's using ice cream as cream for coffee. Best. There should be a coffee float cafe somewhere. You got there?
Fine, I'll play with you.
Let me get my other shoe first.
I'm so excited.
Go on. Give me that. That's my old shoe, bro. Right away. Thanks, Betty. Alright, Ben says the lowering springs are all installed, so I'm getting Shane to drive me back to Joyride. Let's go.
My enemies are
There she
enemies.
is.
We never had a friend like me. Nobody knows.
Is it even lowered? Holy crap, yeah it is. Jeez. You said at least a finger's gap. Oh man. Crazy. Alright, took her for a small spin just to test her out, and she feels good. We can actually go lower, but this is a comfortable height. I'm gonna be rocking these same tires. This is gonna be the ride height. And the offset's a little different with the TEs, so I think it's gonna be a little more flush than the stock wheels, so yeah, no, this is a good height.
Well, there's a lot of threads, but how I see it is more like a spring preload over a height adjustment. The rears for sure is a height adjustment, but the front is like spring tension preload. On like the FRS ones that we did,
Yeah.
it had adjustable collar there and the spring, so it was like a double, but this one's just the spring preload. When I was checking it out, you could like move the fucking spring, so I had to like tighten them up a bit, get a little load on it. Drive it around, see how it is.
Do it after the rim.
Yeah, and then you can adjust it and then an alignment. Cool?
Yeah, rolling out with Ben. Ben's taking the 300ZX, and I guess it's closing time.
Closing time. Open all the doors and let you out
rocking the old F1Rs. You wanna race? That's sick, bro. I'm shaking. I don't even know what just happened, dude. This biker came out of nowhere, and then this Mercedes, like, oh my god, dude. I can't even explain right now. Yo, what the hell just happened, bro? What the?
Get some anger up.
What the fuck was that? That was crazy. Yo, I was gonna give a thumbs up to the motorbiker, but he did it to you. He's like, that's awesome, man. That's respect. He just wanted to cruise. That Mercedes came out of nowhere too. I'm like, really? I was like pushing it, but you were keeping up.
Dude, my car, I just realized, has like good high-end power. I was like ahead of the bike, man. Yo, did you see what happened?
Yeah, you hit a bump and you kind of skidded a bit.
I
saw that.
felt that and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
But I didn't hit the brake and that's what saved me.
Exactly. You have to keep going forward or else.
Gas.
Oh, dude, you guys have no idea what just happened, man. That's the stuff we shouldn't be doing, Shane.
You gotta fuck with the bikers, man.
He was having fun. He was going over gravel, which was dangerous for him. Yo, yeah, that's fun. It's definitely not gonna be fitting inside the Supra, so we'll just take it out in pieces. It's literally just the two base parts. Here, you got your official Street Hunter holographic label there, but that's pretty much it, man. Just those. Well, let's put them in the Supra and we'll head to the garage where we have all the proper tools that we need. Yeah, that's okay. Got some planks here and we're still gonna try and attempt to bring the Supra inside the garage, make it easier. Plus, I think it's too windy outside to be filming with this microphone. It's not the best, okay? As per you guys. But I quickly watched Calvin and TJ's video just to give myself a small idea of how to install it. I think the easiest thing to do is to assemble the spoiler while it's off the trunk, and then we'll go from there. What? Look who it is. YouTube hasn't seen you in like 3 months.
I have no idea. I had like the biggest beard too.
I don't think haircut places are an essential business, so it sucks, but you know, you just gotta learn to live with it. Alright guys, Street Hunter build number 8 officially starts now. Before we get started on the install, I kind of just wanted to show you what came inside the package. I haven't gotten the rest of the body kit yet, just the spoiler, because that's what I told TJ I'd start off with. Plus, I'm not that ballsy enough to cut into the fender yet, even though we kind of already did. As you can see here, you got the 2 base parts, which is going to be attached to the deck lid. You actually have the option to get FRP or carbon fiber, and we opted for the carbon fiber. They made it easier for you. Unlike in TJ's prototype version, they didn't have any holes and they had to do a lot of trimming. From that, they were able to come out with this, which actually has like guided holes and stuff, little indents, so you don't necessarily have to do that yourself. In the smaller bit here, you are given the caps or the covers that kind of hide all the bolts, as well as all the necessary hardwares. Let's get started. So I take it these long bolts are what attaches the base to the trunk, so they go on the bottom. These smaller ones are for the cover, and I think these medium-sized screws are the ones that attach the deck lid to the bases. It's a hot one. I like it. Just gonna go take the long way around. Okay, I just like fell off a cliff over there. It's because I just lowered this earlier today, but that was bad.
Okay, trick 2.
A great success.
Find a spot for it here. Okay, so yeah, we can get to the drilling, and I have Calvin on standby just in case we need a little help, because He's probably installed like 3 or 4 Street Hunter spoilers by now. Like I said, these guys made it easy for you. There's actually little indents in here to drill. So we'll start small. And then on this side, it should come out the center of these bigger holes. All right, we're gonna test it out. Take one of your medium bolts. Oh, gotta make the holes bigger. All right, you got the spoiler assembled. I'm just gonna quickly test fit it. Apparently you can't actually take the trunk liner off. According to their videos, they literally just drilled straight from the top all the way through. We'll ask Calvin. You have the Street Hunter wing all put together here. Like I saw you guys using toothpaste to find the holes or something.
No, don't. You hold the wing onto the car where it sits,
Yeah.
and you trace it out. Flip your wing upside down, you're gonna put tape on the bottom.
Pilot holes on the bottom. Appreciate it, Calvin. Okay, so Calvin made it easy. We mount the trunk and then we'll trace the shape of the base onto the trunk, make sure it's exactly where we want it positioned. And then from there, take the spoiler, turn it upside down, and then trace the bottom of that. This shot. Yeah, the bottom's good. Okay, so. And since we did these on the bottom side of the spoiler, these are upside down. So yeah, basically a mirror of this triangle shape. We're gonna sneak into a crime scene, okay? It's cuz it's unheard of. We're gonna be drilling into the Supra, man. No turning back, okay, guys? Let's just go for it. Oh, that was too easy. Perfect. Put on this wing. Okay. Quick message to Calvin, and he actually says that the bolt jiggle around on purpose. I think that's so you can actually get it through the right angle and still be able to tighten it. Master says it's on purpose, then I trust. We'll get a carbon fiber trunk eventually. Hey! We did it! On there. Oh. You want to fall in love all over again with your car? Well, actually, no, this is brand new, man. What am I saying? Like, when I took off the wrap on the FRS, I fell in love with it all over again. So, just gotta, like, change it a little bit here and there. Man, this wing looks dope. Street Hunter kit number 8 spoiler is installed officially. It's not super heavy. Maybe I shouldn't slam it like that. No gap. Yes. Yo, guys, we did good. Thanks, Sonny. Larry, thank you. Mr. Thick Tomato. We started this pull-up whiteboard record thing. So I'm gonna try to beat my record today, which is 25. And I've taken a break for 4 days, okay? felt like it was about to rip. I was like, I can probably use my Nen, but still gonna keep the saran wrap on just for the meantime, but we're gonna get Angus to fully PPF this carbon, so I have nothing to worry about. The window protection film has already saved me from like 5 huge rock chips. Angus, thank you. I don't know what to think. It looks so good. Celebration time. Yo, hand me another Heine, bro. Thank you. For one for my homies. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Thank you. Can go on later. Like I said, we're probably gonna I think this is meant for the other side. So you can put the screws in this little space. Just gonna use the opposite side, so use it on this side and 3M it. That'll have to wait until everything's paint matched. Gonna drive home with the wing on because it looks dope.
I'll follow behind you.
Yes, please get some third-person videos for me. I will add it to this vlog. It'll go right here.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Just gonna finish up and conclude here at the garage. At this point, really the next step is to just get it paint matched. I just really like how the design complements the body lines of the Supra. Like in the rear, if you follow this line up, spoiler just follows it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, just hit the sub button, drop some likes, and leave good vibes in the comments. If you guys have any feedback, questions at all, I'll try my best to get to them. And yeah, just don't let your actions be dictated by your environment. I heard that from somewhere, and I've been kind of like using it as my mantra. That's it, man. Stay away from the news too. Seriously, it's all negative, but not here. We're all smiles here. See you guys.
Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Bet he's gonna rob me. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past